In 1968, totally disillusioned by the restrictive dogma of abstract expressionism, Guston abandons the gestural flourishes that had become the hallmarks of his distinctive aesthetic and replaced them with stylistically bold and symbolically charged figurative paintings. This November, in our contemporary evening sale, we are very excited to be selling a painting called Ominous Land by Philip Guston from 1972. You stand in front of this painting and you can't help but feel that you're inside Guston's brooding mind. Ominous Land addresses the pain that Guston felt about the world. From a very early point in his painting career, we see Guston portraying the horrible cruelty of the Klu Klux Klan. He witnessed these marchers, these villains, firsthand. It was always present in his work and emerges again most strongly in these works shown from the period of Ominous Land, which was this Marlborough Gallery presentation in 1970 that were so controversial. You have in this painting Guston's very signature paint stroke. You have as well a very bright palette that harkens to some of the transition he's making in the 50s with the Abex works, pinks, blushes. It's such a reduced set of colors, and yet all of these colors achieve so much. There's so much in this painting that is evocative and immediate to the very discussions happening today. Guston has inspired generations and generations of painters who follow, be it Carol Dunham, Stanley Whitney, Jonas Wood, Dana Schutz. All of these artists look to Guston both for what he was able to achieve technically, but also what he really cared about and what is the content of his paintings. This work was acquired by Gabriele and Robert Lee in the 80s. As prominent collectors and philanthropists in Philadelphia, Gabriele and Robert Lee built an unparalleled collection of art and design. From the iconic imagery of the Philip Guston to Aliero Boetti's Mappa to the exceptional examples of 20th century design, be it the Paul Evans cabinet or the Tiffany Studio wisteria lamp. The Lee collection is a thoughtful embodiment of Robert's passion for collecting and Gabriele's impeccable style. The couple together had an aesthetic eye for quality that extended to their philanthropic endeavors. They had unwavering support for the Philadelphia Opera, the Philadelphia Museum of Art, and also the Philadelphia Academy of Fine Arts. This season we have a fantastic grouping of works coming from the estate of Gabriele and Robert Lee. This is a powerfully distilled group, and when presented together, they illuminate each other. The intersection we then see amongst all these objects, both visually and intellectually, is something Sotheby's is very excited to present for auction this fall.